Oh,
Hey,
you scared me.
Dare you?
That's what.
Da, da, da. Hey, hey, hey.
What are you doing back up here?
Hey, I was... Yeah, get her. Get her. She deserves it.
Hey, Shelly, you gotta have a microphone on yours. They're identical cameras.
No,
They're the same
the
camera.
one that, my other one.
What
Mommy has that, remember?
are you gonna change back?
Never. Hug! Hug!
Look how short she is.
Skylar, later can you take the file cabinet and put it by the dumpster so anybody who wants it can come get it, take it?
Yeah.
All right.
Is this Nicole?
We don't care.
Haley doesn't have to worry about that
The good thing, I don't have to beat up any kids yet.